Now let's talk it through. To remove this rear cover, we will need to press on this metal clip. The previous seat I've done it, or I tried to press it on this side, and it's not efficient because we need to overcome this little loop. So you get the source of light, you identify this piece of metal. On the other side we have this plastic casing. Try not to damage this one, and with a long screwdriver or whatever tool you have available, I would advise using a flathead screwdriver, a long one. You will identify the clip and push on it, at the same time pulling on the back cover. Make sure that you don't overcompensate and stab the back panel. The back panel is quite forgiving because it's made out of strong plastic, so should that happen, it's not the end of the world. Same process on the other side. We are pushing on this, push on that, pull. So on the other side, and I'm tempted of saying that on both you will be going at this angle, so from the outside of your seat towards the inside, from the outside towards the inside. This was the cover, and for the last bit, the lower bits, you just wiggle it left, right and up.